Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the problem number 8, which is based on first principle of derivative of chapter differentiation. The problem number 8 is find the derivative of f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 5 at x equal to minus 1. Also prove that f dash 0 plus 3 into f dash minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start with fx is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 5. Then next step is we have to find f of x plus h. It means whenever x, we have to write x plus h. So is equal to 2 in bracket x plus h the whole square plus 3 in bracket x plus h minus 5. So on simplifying, this gives us 2 in bracket. Now x plus h the whole square gives us x square plus 2xh plus x square. And the remaining term, that plus 3 in bracket x plus h and minus 5, we write as it is equal to. Now this entire bracket we have to multiply by 2. So we get 2x square plus 2 into 2 4xh plus 2h square. Then second bracket we have to multiply by 3. So that gives us 3x plus 3h minus 5. So in this way we get the value of f of x plus h. Now by using first principle of derivative, f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx and whole thing divided by h. So the next step will be f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. For f of x plus h, we write 2x square plus 4xh plus 2h square plus 3x plus 3h minus 5. So this is value of f of x plus h. Then minus, for f of x we write 2x square plus 3x minus 5 in the second bracket, and then the whole thing divided by h. So is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now here we write first bracket as it is, that 2x square plus 4xh plus 2x square plus 3x plus 3h minus 5. Then for second bracket the outside sign is minus. So on simplifying bracket we get minus 2x square minus 3x plus 5, and then the whole thing divided by h. So is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now here we cancel plus 2x square minus 2x square, then plus 3x minus 3x, and minus 5 plus 5. The remaining terms are 4xh plus 2h square plus 3h, whole thing divided by h, is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now in numerator we take h common from each term. So we have h in bracket 4x plus 2h plus 3 bracket complete, and whole thing divided by h. So the next step will be is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now here we cancel h from numerator and denominator, so we left with 4x plus 2h plus 3 bracket complete. Finally we replace h by 0, so we get 4x plus 2 into 0 plus 3. So that gives us 4x plus 3. So this is f dash x is equal to 4x plus 3. Now put x is equal to minus 1. So we get f dash minus 1 is equal to 4 into minus 1 plus 3. Therefore, f dash minus 1 is equal to, now 4 into minus 1 gives minus 4 plus 3. So f dash minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Then we find the value of f dash x at x equal to 0. So put x equal to 0. So we have f dash 0 is equal to 4 into 0 plus 3. So is equal to 0 plus 3. Therefore, f dash 0 is equal to 3. Now here we have to prove f dash 0 plus 3 times f dash minus 1 is equal to 0. So we start from LHS. LHS is equal to f dash 0 plus 3 into f dash minus 1. That equal to, now f dash 0 we write 3 plus 3 into f dash minus 1 gives us minus 1. So that equal to 3. Now 3 into minus 1 gives us minus 3. So is equal to, now 3 minus 3 gives us 0 and that equal to RHS. So in this way we prove left hand side is equal to right hand side, and therefore finally f dash 0 plus 3 into f dash minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.